Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Python. So just head over to python.org website. So from there we're going to go to downloads, and if you're on Windows, click on Windows obviously, and Mac, and they should also have Linux under other platforms. So we're going to click on the latest version. In this case it's 3.10.1. Let it download. Once it's downloaded, open it up. Now, if you're on Windows, make sure to click Add Python and then the Python version to path as well, because we'll be using it later on. And then click Install. Yes. So in my case, I'm just updating the Python version from 3.9 to 3.10. Once that's done, we can click Close and go over to a terminal, open CMD for example, and type in Python, and it should come up. If it doesn't, it just hasn't been added to your path directory. So if you're on Windows, just open, just type in environment variables. It's this top option here, and then go to environment variables, and then we've got two different boxes here. So just go over to the top one, variables for user, double click this path option, and then what we're wanting to do is we want to add the Python file here. So in this case, it's already been added, but if you want to figure out how to do it, so just type in Python, and in this case we want to do 3.10, open file location. Okay, so now, in case it was downloaded into app data, another way to get there is press Windows R, type percentage app data percentage, enter. Okay, just go back one and then go into local. Scroll down to programs, which is here, Python 3.10, and from here you can copy the address, go over here, click new, and just paste it in, and that should all be done. You just click OK. That's it. So now when you type in Python, it should be downloaded. Now if you're going to go ahead and install packages, you only need to type in pip. It used to be pip3, and then type in the file's name and pip install, and then the package name, and press enter. Oh, sorry, the reason is because we're in the Python terminal, so you can just type quit. Install package name, enter, and it's downloaded. And that's how you install Python. Thank you.